G'day guys, Greg here. Well, today I thought I'd show you how to make a delicious, simple breakfast I like to make, a poached egg on toast. Now, whenever you watch videos, they always make it so complicated to poach an egg, but it's really simple. Let me show you how I like to do mine. So I've got myself a smallish saucepan here. The smaller the better. And I'm just going to add some water in. And I'll add, I don't know, maybe 1.5 inches, maximum 2 inches. Not too much though, because you don't really need that much. Now you want to get the water boiling, but you don't want it boiling like this hard. So generally I put it on like a number 4 on my stove, sort of about 3/4 of the way up. And you just want the water sort of slightly bubbling like that. And we need to add in some vinegar here. Today I'm using brown vinegar. You can use white wine vinegar or white vinegar. It doesn't matter. And that should cool it down a little bit too and stop the bubbles from over bubbling. And I mean, that bubbling there is just fine. So now you just got to crack the egg in. Be careful you don't burn yourself because the steam is very hot. And we just crack the egg in like that. And hopefully it just accumulates on the bottom of the saucepan here. You can move in any bits if you've got it like a strainer thing. Move those in. I've got one with holes in it, which will come in really handy later. But once I've done that, now I add the bread in the toaster. Now once that toast is cooked, the egg should be ready. It should be nice and runny in the middle, just the way I like it too. So that's my use of a timer for the egg. Anyway, we'll wait for that toast to pop and then we'll just suss it all out, see if it works out. The egg is simmering away. And the toast has popped. Oh, yeah, that looks good. Which means the egg should be ready too. Okay. Now, of course, whenever you have toast, you need to add butter on, don't you? Because butter's so healthy for you. And now I've got this strainer here. You can just pick up the egg. You want to try and shake all the water off that you can without burning your fingers or anything else. And then you just put the egg on your toast. Alright, let's see if I got the runny yolk or not. Yeah, you're a ripper. Perfect. Sort of. Could have been runnier, but I'll add some pepper and some salt if you want to. You can also add some mayonnaise on top. Oh yeah, now we're talking. Yum diddly scrumptious. Come at me. So good. So easy, so healthy and delicious. So there you go, a simple poached egg on toast, mate. What more do you want for breakfast? Maybe some bacon, yeah. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. I cook an egg. See you then.
Oh yeah, this is Greg's Kitchen.